Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa ating depensa, bomber ng Russia at China hinarang ng Canada at US Air Force gamit ang stealth fighter jets. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, wag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Paki-follow at like na rin ang aming page na nasa description na ang link. Hinarang ng North American Aerospace Defense Command o NORAD ang dalawang Russian at dalawang Chinese bomber na lumilipad malapit sa Alaska noong Miyerkules. Sinabi ng isang opisyal ng depensa ng US na unang beses na naharang ang dalawang bansa habang magkasamang nag-ooperate. Ang mga bomber ay nanatili sa International Airspace sa Air Defense Identification Zone ng Alaska at hindi nakikita bilang isang banta. Ayon sa isang pahayag mula sa NORAD, naharang ng US at Canada, na magkasamang binubuo ng NORAD, ang Russian Tu-95 Bear at Chinese H-6 bombers. Ito rin ay minarkahan ng unang pagkakataon na ang H-6 bombers, na derivative ng mas lumang mga Soviet bombers, ay pumasok sa Alaska Air Defense Identification Zone. Sinabi ng defense official, ang pagharang ay isinagawa ng US F-16 at F-35 fighter jets, gayon din ang Canadian CF-18 fighter jets, ayon sa defense official.
To us, we closely monitored these aircraft, tracked the aircraft, intercepted the aircraft, and which demonstrates that our forces are at the ready all the time, and we have very good surveillance capabilities. And it's the first time that we've seen these two countries fly together. They didn't enter our airspace. I think the closest point of approach was about 200 miles off of our coast. So, but this is a thing that we track very closely. We're able to intercept, and if it happens again, if there's any kind of challenge from any direction, I have every confidence that NORTHCOM and NORAD will be at the ready and will be able to intercept. In terms of the relationship between Russia and China, this is a relationship that we have been concerned about throughout, mostly because we're concerned about China providing support to Russia's illegal and unnecessary war in Ukraine. And we've seen evidence of that, and we would hope that that would cease going forward. We'll see what happens and how this relationship continues to develop. We will remain focused on protecting the homeland here, and again, I applaud the efforts of NORTHCOM and our great airmen who are always at the ready. As to whether or not our adversaries are testing us at this particular time, they're always testing us, and that's no surprise to any of us. We see activity in the north on a number of occasions, and we are always at the ready to address that activity. In terms of the message that the Russians and the Chinese are sending, I'll tell you what message we're sending. And that message is we're going to be at the ready. We are at the ready. We will always be at the ready. We're going to defend this nation. And so if there is a challenge or a threat to the United States of America, your troops will be at the ready, and they will do the right thing. And I want to thank all those who continue to support our troops and their families. What you saw the other day is what they do each and every day. And I am absolutely proud of them.
What do you make of the timing? Why now?
Well, I mean, you could probably guess that things like that have probably been planned well in advance. And so that certainly would be my guess. And in terms of why they would choose to do something at a particular time, I have to ask them. But what I'll tell you is that whenever somebody does something like that, we'll be at the ready to do the right thing.
Nagpakita naman ng panibagong puwersa at lakas sa mga magkakaalyadong bansa sa buong mundo. Sa isinagawang RIMPAC 2024, hindi man nakapagpadala ng barko ang Pilipinas, kabilang pa rin dito ang Pilipinas at iba pang Indo-Pacific allies na galit sa ginagawa ng China sa West Philippine Sea, habang ang China naman ay hindi kabilang sa rimpak ngayong taon. Ang nasabing malaking pagsasanay na ito ay tanda ng matinding mensahe ng Estados Unidos at mga allies, laban sa aggressive action ng China sa kalapit nitong mga bansa. Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.